Okay, good morning from Liverpool. It's a rainy day ngayon. I think today is going to be busy here at Liverpool kasi there's a game this afternoon. And also there's a freshy day. And we're expecting a lot of people to come here at the center. But for now, since it's still early, we still have 30 minutes remaining before we eat breakfast pala. Matthew Street. Tapos yung mga classic signage nila ng Matthew Street. So yung ulan dito ngayon medyo mahina lang pero madami. Alam mo yun? Mababasa ka talaga. So important meron kang payong and then cold panlamig. Kung meron kang water repellent na shirt or jacket, better. Later dito kami pupunta. Meron itong museum, Beatles Museum. So before tumugtog or yung Beatles, sa The Grapes muna sila tumatambay kasi parang tayo, yung kabataan natin, nagpapalasing muna bago mag-party-party. Ganun din yung ginagawa nila before. So ang ganda ng mga buildings and mga establishment here. Bricks. Diba? Yun. So makita nyo sa dulo, kung check nyo sa taas, hindi ko lang kita sa camera, merong Radio City, may tower doon. Welcome to Historic Liverpool. It's a shop, it's a souvenir shop here along Matthew Street. So if you want to come by, buy some souvenirs, it's a good place to shop. Ang daming items. Merong mugs, keychains, Yellow Submarine, shirts, pen, name it, they have it. Ito yung first stop namin na pinuntahan. Shopping agad. And so wala. Solid Liverpool fan talaga ako eh. Beatles, Football Club, yung cult music nila. Panalo. Wala, ito to Ito Matthew Street is talagang lugar for fans. So meron na ako nito. Gamitin ko for vlogging to. Bili pa ako ng isang collar for this. At least 24. Cute ito pang display sa bahay. Yung van.
Yes, sige, pili ka.
Pili ko.
Ano to? This is funny. Para saan to?
Display lang.
Sige, so ito na
gusto mong mug na skull.
Hindi parang, mug.
Mug siya.
Pero nakakatawa to kasi may banamikong.
Tank kasi siya eh. So dito kami ngayon we're having breakfast here at the Cavern Resto. So it's under one company, it's Cavern Restaurant, there's pub, and there's Cavern Club. Apparently the club starts or opens at 11 in the morning. And then the pub is the evening something, it's the evening gimmick. For yun, it's a wonderful breakfast here. I'm having the toast, Cumberland sausage, tapos coffee din. Para siyang small breakfast lang, ganun. Pero you can opt naman kung gusto mong full English breakfast, meron sila. Pero light lang muna ngayon, just to chill it kasi mag-lunch pa mamaya. Cavern Club merch, they have it here also. So that's their kitchen. That's where the magic happens. Ang ganda sa restaurant na to. Medyo talagang 50s, 60s yung vibe niya. Kung nandito yung tatay ko, magustuhan niya dito. Kasi yung mga pictures, ayan, yung mga gusto niya music na pinapakinggan sa RJ Bistro eh. Tsaka Beatles siya yung nag-introduce sa akin ng Beatles basically. So yung medyo, yun yung style ng gitara or bass guitar ni Paul McCartney. Para siyang restaurant / museum eh. Ganda. Ken Dodd, Jimi Hendrix. So may ganda pa siyang yung design nila, style nila. So what's going to happen later is after namin ng breakfast, pupunta muna kami back sa Airbnb. And then after that, I will go to Beatles Museum. It starts at 10 o'clock. Oh, baka after breakfast, diretso na kami doon. Okay, tapos yung breakfast namin and minom na ako ng gamot. So guys, papasok na kami sa Beatles Museum. Yan, going here, inside. So fortunately, we can pwede mag-video, paikot-ikot. We're inside the museum, so open siya from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Just need to book tickets in advance. Yeah, here inside. So you'll see pictures of the concert in Liverpool.
Pagdan pa lang,
Initial Beatles.
Oh, hi.
So ito yung sa cavern before. George Harrison. These are replicas. Guitar replica.
Magulugaw. Ito, nakita ko para maka-ente ng concert.
So ito yung Cavern Club. Naman yung Beatles yan. Yan Quarry Bank High School. Kaya sa Quarrymen. So initially, before naging Beatles yung name nila, they're called si John Lennon tsaka si Paul McCartney together with two others nila Bess and Stewart. Name nila Quarrymen. Para before naging Beatles. So these are actual mga hinalak nilang gamit. Naput silang Hamburg, Germany. Yung cup, same cup as mine. Same. So yun, si Paul McCartney may suot na ganito rin. I know you never realize. Ito natin ito. Come on. So yun natin gitara ni John Lennon, ganito siya. So mga old pictures, Beatles, yan, documented. Yung before sila sumikat na sikat. Sir, so, before parang magkaroon ng Spotify and all, radiogram. So, dating salamin ni John Lennon, actually worn by John Lennon. So, there was a time ng bata ako, our TV, siguro parang ganito, television, but mas malaki yung cabinet ng TV. When I was a kid, so inabot ko yun sa Batangas. Meron ganun yung family namin. Yung mga lola ko, may ganun TV, yung malaki. So parang ganito naman, mas maliit dito sa UK. So dati yung coffee machine, ganun.
Si Papa.
Bakit?
Ito yung actual.
Paul?
Ito.
Lefty?
Si Papa.
So, sa atin yung bongo, medyo politika. Dito yung bongo. Ano? This is the bongo or parang drums ni Pete Best. Pete Best is the original drummer ng Beatles before Ringo Starr. And this is an actual guitar. It's an actual guitar played by Paul McCartney. Yan. So, siguro maraming songs na nagawa using this guitar. Si Paul McCartney. So, okay pala si Pete Best kasi mahilig siya sa photography. So, ito yung folding camera ni Pete Best. So, yun yung ginagamit ng Beatles dati when they're taking pictures sa Germany pag may gig sila. These are shots taken from that folding camera. Wala pang vlogging nun. Yun. So, parang itong section na to puro kay Pete Best. Ito naman, George Harrison, my favorite Beatle. So, when he was 14 years old, yan, 1956, he paid £3 for the guitar. Talaga? It's actual guitar played by George Harrison. Binili niya na for £3 galing sa pera niya and sa savings ng nanay niya. So, she's Pete Best, dating drummer na Beatles. Of course, there's Paul. Ito sila before. So, the first Beatle, that's Pete Best, George Harrison, John Lennon, Paul McCartney, and si Stewart. And sa Hamburg, ito yung gandang itsura ng entrance sa bar that they go to, cell number 6. Yan, itsura ng ano nila. So, si Paul McCartney sa taas, yung microphone na ginamit niya, ito, galing. So, Ben Knight and John Lennon.
Yeah.
Pero doon data ang final star.
So, dating promoter ng Beatles, Mona Best.
I see.
Dating watch ni John Lennon. So, yung susuot niya,
There was a gold diamond.
it's stuck ng 2...
I saw that
May oras na.
was the first impression I made.
Itong post na to, gusto kong i-recreate later. Pagpunta ko sa bahay ni George Harrison. There's a popular image of George Harrison before siya pumunta doon sa gig nila with the Beatles. Yung guitar na ito yung pinakita ko kanina, yung binili niya for £3.
Really shade what more than the place, I believe. I had to take a tape machine back left my house because there wasn't one. This sounds crazy, but we had a thought so I took it back.
So this is the third level. Ang third level naman, yung era nung dumating ang si Ringo Starr sa Beatles. Post Pete Best and Post Stewart na siya. Si sa babae namatay na si Stewart. Tapos nag-resign si Pete Best. So in one interview ni Paul McCartney, yun nga, dahil nawalan silang drummer, nakita nila si Ringo Starr, pinag-drums nila, na-impress agad si John Lennon tsaka si Paul McCartney. So alam nyo ba, nung back in the 60s, naging issue ang Pilipinas dahil nag-concert ang Beatles sa Philippines. And then, bigla silang umalis for the reason na para merong hindi nasama sa contract na may courtesy call sa president ang Beatles. Eh, hindi sila pumayag o walang ganung usapan. Pero, ang ating president back then, tsaka si Imelda Marcos, they required the Beatles to go to Malacanang to meet the first family. So, it's on July, Beatles evacuated from the Philippines. So allegedly parang tumakas sila sa Pilipinas dahil nga hinahabol sila ng mga security ni Marcos back then. It's in the news dati at saka it's documented, so hindi siya fake news. Kasi they're fans. I mean, the Marcoses are fans of the Beatles. Inamin naman ni President BBM na fan siya ng Beatles. Well, dating road manager, Evans. So this is a bus image ni Paul McCartney. Yun. Yan. Pwede na puntahan tomorrow. Kasi muulan. Video camera. Yung vlogging camera nila. And also nagkaroon ng time na the Beatles met with Muhammad Ali. Yan yung kanilang. Ito yung boxer shorts ni Muhammad Ali. Yung picture niya with them. So yung kinakon balita kanina, yan din. Allegedly ito daw sapatos ni Imelda. Sabi nila yan.
Ay, gano'n siya kakuha sila kasi at that time, hindi pa sila makakasuha. Yes.
So apparently, yung wife ko tsaka si John Lennon, they have something in common. Pag nakita sila ng stuffed toy, they need a home. So, may bili sila ng stuffed toy. So John Lennon, ganun din. May binili siya na koala at tsaka kiwi bird na toy na manika, binili niya. So these are the very iconic Sgt. Pepper costume or attire that the Beatles wore. There. So colorful. And this piano naman, ayun, it's a Magical Mystery Tour. Okay. They use this piano para din. So this section of the museum is yung 1960s to 70s. 67 to 70. Ito yung medyo nagbago na yung musicality nila ng Beatles, di ba? Ito yung medyo nagpaka Hare Krishna rin sina George Harrison. So if makita yung guitar ni George Harrison, gumagamit na siya ng kung anong instruments. So sa isang movie ni Monty Python, si George Harrison kasi medyo nagkaroon ng affiliation kay Monty Python, isang filmmaker. And binili niya to in one movie, Life of Brian. Yun. Panoorin yung Life of Brian, sobrang funny yun, ni Monty Python. So binili niya to. Yan, mapapanood ito sa movie ni Monty Python. Yung Life of Brian, para siya yung life, si Brian, siya yung parang si Jesus story, pero funny. It's a parody and it's a funny film. Panoorin niyo yun. Itong jacket na to, binigay kay John Lennon ng isang sundalo sa US. Gusto ko magkaroon yan. As in, before magbiyahe ng England, naghahanap ako nito. Yung ganitong itsura, maganda. Wala akong makita. Pag may souvenir shop ako mamaya makita na may ganito, I'll get one. Gusto ko niyan, jacket na yan. Binigay yan kay John Lennon ng isang sundalo eh. Kasi yung support niya for, for not supporting or parang pag-support niya against anti-war sa Vietnam back then. Let it be. So, that's the end of my video for today. Ito yung trip namin sa Liverpool Beatles Museum, pati doon sa Mathew Street. Ayun. And for the next video, abangan nyo naman tomorrow. Popost ko siya tomorrow. Ang video ko tomorrow is all about childhood home ng Beatles ni Paul McCartney, John Lennon. I will try to go to George Harrison's childhood home. Pati Speak Hall, kung saan maganda. Medyo Victorian yung dating niya. And yun. Abangan nyo yung video na yun. It's going to be exciting naman. Ibang story naman ng Beatles. Titingnan natin. Okay, sige. That's it for now, for today's video. Abangan yung next video ko. Kaka-start pa lang namin. First day pa lang namin ngayon sa sa UK, sa England. It's really surreal pa yung pakiramdam ko ngayon. Parang dream lang talaga yung pakiramdam ko ngayon. Nandito ako sa Liverpool. Ang ganda. The best. Okay. I'll end this video. Watch out for the next videos. And I hope you like and subscribe this subscribe to my channel. And I really appreciate it. Libre naman yun. There's no harm in subscribing, sabi nga nila. But it will definitely help me and pati other content creators. If you like, follow, subscribe our channel and our content. Okay. That's it for now, today's video. Bukas ulit. Maraming salamat and I'll see you on the next one.